This is marinated prawns. Garam masala, haldi, dhani, jeera, namak. This is half kg prawns, 10 rupees, 37 piece. So it's around 6 rupees per piece. When eat in the Swati hotel or Nakshatra hotel, they will give only 7 to 8 piece only in 300 rupees. This case, total 1500 rupees prawns. I am going to make prawns chili. Putting oil, medium heat, prawns chili, 50% prawns. Remaining a little bit, it will change the color in the browny color. In 10 minutes, it will be ready. It is going to get ready. Now I am going to turn this. After turning, see this brownish color. Again in low heat, I will leave like 2-3 minutes. Then it is almost getting ready. Now I will eat with rice and noodles. Either with rice also or noodles and dal rice and prawn chili. Mazza aa jayega saale paanch. Then you must know what is the poison in that. The threads are there in the every prawns. So you have to remove the thread. If you don't know what is the thread, then I will tell you in later video. But thread is the poison. So you must remove the thread. Then now yummy, it will go in my tummy. Let me taste it. So my prawn chili is ready.